Many people struggle with managing their money, often finding themselves living paycheck to paycheck. Meet Sarah, a young professional who always felt stressed about her finances. Despite earning a decent salary, she never seemed to have enough money left at the end of the month. Like Sarah, many of us know we should budget, but the process seems too complicated and overwhelming. Budgeting is a powerful tool that can transform your financial life, helping you to avoid debt, save for future goals, and gain peace of mind. This video will show you how to create a budget that actually works, with easy steps and practical tools that anyone can use. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to take control of your money and start building a secure financial future. Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. Number 1. Understanding the basics of budgeting. Budgeting is like making a plan for your money. It helps you know where your money is going and how to use it wisely. Think of it as a map that guides you to your financial goals. When you budget, you decide in advance how you will spend your money each month. Budgeting is important because it helps you avoid debt and save money for things you want, like a vacation or a new car. It also gives you peace of mind, knowing that you are in control of your finances. Many people think budgeting is too hard or that it means they can't have any fun, but that's not true. A good budget lets you enjoy life while also saving for the future. There are some common myths about budgeting that we need to clear up. One myth is that only people with lots of money need a budget. The truth is, everyone can benefit from budgeting, no matter how much they earn. Another myth is that budgeting is too complicated. In reality, anyone can create a simple budget with a little effort and the right tools. Number 2. Assessing your financial situation. Before you can create a budget, you need to understand your current financial situation. Start by figuring out how much money you make each month. This is called your income. Add up all the money you get from your job, side gigs, or any other sources. Next, look at how much money you spend each month. This is called your expenses. Keep track of everything you spend money on for a whole month. This includes rent, groceries, bills, and even small things like coffee or snacks. Write it all down or use a tool to help you track it. There are many tools you can use to track your expenses. Some people like using apps on their phone, like Mint or Enab. You need a budget. Others prefer using a simple spreadsheet on their computer or even writing it down in a notebook. Choose the method that works best for you. Tracking your expenses will help you see where your money is going. You might be surprised to find out how much you spend on certain things. This step is important because it gives you a clear picture of your financial situation. Once you know your income and expenses, you can start making a budget that fits your needs. Number 3. Setting realistic financial goals. Setting financial goals is a crucial part of budgeting. Goals give you something to work towards and help you stay motivated. There are 2 types of financial goals: short-term and long-term. Short-term goals are things you want to achieve within a year, like saving for a new phone or paying off a small debt. Long-term goals take more time, like buying a house or saving for retirement. To make your goals effective, use the SMART method. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $1,000 for an emergency fund in 6 months." This goal is clear, trackable, realistic, important to you, and has a deadline. Here are some examples of financial goals. Saving $500 for a vacation in 6 months, paying off a $1,000 credit card debt in a year, or building an emergency fund with 3 months' worth of expenses within 2 years. By setting realistic and SMART goals, you can better manage your money and make sure your budget helps you achieve what you want. Having clear goals will keep you focused and motivated on your budgeting journey. Number 4. Creating your budget. It's time to create your budget. Start by categorizing your expenses into 2 groups: needs and wants. Needs are things you must have to live, like rent, groceries, and utilities. Wants are things you enjoy but can live without, like eating out, movies, or new clothes. One popular way to budget is the 50/30/20 rule. This rule suggests you use 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or paying off debt. For example, if you make $2,000 a month, you would spend $1,000 on needs, $600 on wants, and save $400 or use it to pay off debt. But remember, everyone's situation is different. Customize your budget to fit your needs. If you have a lot of debt, you might need to save more than 20%. If your rent is high, you might need to adjust the percentages. The key is to make a plan that works for you. Write down your budget or use a budgeting app to keep track. Review it every month to see how you're doing and make adjustments as needed. Creating a budget helps you take control of your money and work towards your financial goals. Number 5. Implementing and sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is just the first step. Now you need to stick to it. Start by making your budgeting process as simple as possible. Automate your finances whenever you can. Set up automatic payments for bills and automatic transfers to your savings account. This way, you won't forget to pay bills or save money. Regularly review your budget. Pick a day each week or month to go over your spending and make sure you're staying on track. If you notice you're spending too much in one category, find ways to cut back. Maybe cook at home more instead of eating out, or cancel subscriptions you don't use. Staying accountable is also important. Tell a friend or family member about your budget and goals. They can support you and keep you motivated. You can also join online communities where people share tips and encourage each other. If you slip up, don't get discouraged. It's normal to make mistakes. Just learn from them and adjust your budget if needed. The key is to stay committed and keep working towards your goals. Number 6. Overcoming common budgeting challenges. Budgeting can be challenging, but you can overcome these obstacles with some simple strategies. One common issue is impulse spending. To control this, try making a shopping list before you go to the store and stick to it. Avoid online shopping unless you really need something, and give yourself a cooling off period before making big purchases. For those with variable income, like freelancers or gig workers, budgeting can be tricky. Start by estimating your average monthly income based on past earnings. Prioritize your essential expenses and save more during high-income months to cover the leaner times. Creating a buffer fund can also help manage the ups and downs of variable income. Unexpected expenses can throw off your budget. This is why having an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. If an unexpected cost arises, you'll have a safety net to fall back on without disrupting your budget. Sometimes, sticking to a budget can feel restrictive. Allow yourself some flexibility. Include a small fun money category in your budget for treats or entertainment. This way, you can enjoy life without feeling deprived. Number 7. Tools and resources. Using the right tools and resources can make budgeting much easier. Budgeting apps are a great place to start. Apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard help you track your spending, set goals, and stay on top of your finances. These apps often connect to your bank account, making it easy to see where your money is going. If you prefer a hands-on approach, you can use a simple spreadsheet. Programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets offer free templates that you can customize to fit your needs. Writing down your expenses and income can also help you stay aware of your financial habits. There are many resources to help you learn more about budgeting and personal finance. Websites like NerdWallet and Investopedia offer articles and tips on managing money. You can also find helpful videos on YouTube that explain budgeting concepts in simple terms. Books are another valuable resource. Titles like The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey and Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin provide practical advice and strategies for better money management. Finally, joining online communities and forums can give you support and inspiration. Sharing tips and experiences with others can keep you motivated and help you stay on track with your budget. Creating a budget that actually works is possible for everyone, no matter your financial situation. Start your budgeting journey today. Take small steps, stay consistent, and watch as your financial health improves. Remember, financial freedom is within reach, and with a good budget, you can make it a reality. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.